Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello again everyone. It's already week 17. Can you believe it? Well, last week was 16, so I can believe it. We have another extreme weather to look at. Now, the important word there is extreme. Do you remember what that means? Well, it just means very, very, very. So, you could have something that's extremely good. But with the weather, if it's extreme, it's going to be bad. Now, this is true. This is very true. I really don't like the cold. So last week was not good for me. Yes, just looking at the pictures of snow makes me want to put on more clothes. Didn't like it. Is it better this time? Oh, well, a little better, but it's still not good. Well, of course it's not good, because we are looking at extreme weather. But it's not so cold, which is a little better. It's rain. There we are. We see rain very often. So, rain, we all know, very important. We've got to have rain. Rain is really important. Yeah, that's right. No rain, no life. And there are lots of places all over the world where they get very, very little rain. What do we call them? Deserts. That's right. So they will not see extreme rain, will they? Don't forget, we are talking about extreme weather. I guess if there's zero rain, that's extreme weather. But it's not rain, and we're talking about rain. So we're not talking about no rain. We're not talking about a little rain. So what are we going to talk about? Too much rain. Well, too much rain. I guess we've all seen days where there's been a lot of rain. But if it rains all day and all night, is that really too much? Well, not really. What happens when there is too much rain? We get a flood. Now, floods are really horrible. All the dirty water goes places where you just do not want water. Roads, homes, schools. Bad. That is too much rain. Will we look at floods? A little bit. Only a little bit. Because really, floods is the effect. That's what happens. We're going to look at the actual extreme rain. And we will look at the different names given to really heavy rain. So there's the first name, heavy rain. Okay, well, that's what we see sometimes every year. Just a lot of rain. We call it heavy rain. It's not really heavy. It's not going to weigh you down, but that's the name we give to it. Different names? Yes. The first is cloudburst. What a great word. You say it, come on. Cloudburst. Cloudburst. Can you guess what that is? Just look at the name. You think about it, and we will see you soon. Thank you for your time today, guys. Try and think, what is a cloudburst? Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.